All right, let's get this party started. We are on Lake Ouachita. We're in my brother's G3 with a 90 horse Yamaha. I told him to make sure that he kept the camera straight so that it looked like I was doing a great job of backing in, which I did pretty good because it went straight in and we didn't have any issues, didn't have to turn around, all that kind of much. And it was a good day. It was early June. There's a little bit of chop on the water, a little bit of rough water. Some good wind blowing in. This is probably one of the best campsites that you could have. This is at Buckville Boat Ramp. You got your tent going on, got that breeze blowing through. Just a beautiful lake. So we're gonna ride around a little bit, try to find an island to set up camp on. Right about here, it's pretty shallow on this boat ramp, and you might be able to hear the gravel hitting the bottom of this aluminum boat because it's pretty shallow. Like I said, it was kind of rough riding around to start with, but it wasn't anything that we couldn't handle. The worst part was there was a big bass boat that ran through in front of us that you can't see on the camera, and he put out a couple of waves that were a little bit bouncy. That's okay. So we made it out to our island, and just to show you a little bit of what's going on here. Got a couple fishing poles that we did a little bit of lake trolling, fishing. Then this island was incredible. Nice fire ring. This thing's been out here for a long time. You can tell by all the rocks that are piled up. But we got everything set up. And then we decided to go out and do a little fishing, which was pretty good. Caught a couple of bass. Got a good sunset photo. But see those clouds right there? They were coming in strong. So we decided just to head back to the house, cook a couple burgers, and we were good.